an ORTIZAN X8 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, not pairing with your phone, not syncing, not responding. If it keeps disconnecting, or if it's stuck connected to something that you don't want it to be connected to, we can get a fresh start by just doing a reset. We can also do this if we just want to, like I said, get a fresh start. So the reset on this speaker is very easy. You just need to find the reset button, which is a little bit hidden on this speaker. So when you remove this little cover that protects the aux and the charging ports, actually at the very bottom of the aux or the headphone port is actually where the reset button is. So what you need to do is take a paper clip or something like that. Just be gentle when you're doing this, that you don't damage the side of the port or of the jack, and just press and hold at the bottom of that port for several seconds, and that will reset this speaker. You can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. If this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you're interested in getting this speaker, they are on super sale right now. I'll put a link in the description.